Welcome to the End Content Co YouTube channel. On this channel, you'll find a variety of content revolving around technology. We believe in transparent reviews, holding companies accountable for the claims they make. This video is not sponsored. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the SK hynix Beetle X31 1TB portable SSD in gold. This portable SSD is designed to deliver fast and reliable performance, making it a great option for anyone needing a high-speed storage solution. Now let's take a closer look at the real-world performance of the SK hynix Beetle X31 in action. We've tested the transfer speeds on both Windows and Mac to see how this SSD performs across different operating systems. As you can see here, the Beetle X31 is transferring a large video file on Windows at a solid rate of around 700 megabytes per second. This speed is consistent with what you'd expect from a high-performance SSD, ensuring that your data transfers are quick and efficient, even with large files. Moving over to Mac, the transfer process is equally impressive. Not only is the speed fast, but you can also see the time remaining on the transfer decreasing rapidly. This real-time update showcases just how quickly the SK hynix Beetle X31 can handle large file transfers, making it an excellent choice for anyone working with high-resolution video or large data sets. These clips demonstrate that whether you're on Windows or Mac, the SK hynix Beetle X31 delivers reliable and speedy performance, making it a versatile option for users across different platforms. Now let's get to the review. Design: we give the design 4.5 stars. The Beetle X31 has a sleek and compact design, making it highly portable. The build quality is robust, with a solid, premium feel. The integrated USB Type-C cable is a convenient feature, though the lack of an additional USB-A adapter might be a drawback for some users. Performance: we rate the performance 5 stars. The SK hynix Beetle X31 offers impressive speeds of up to 1050 megabytes per second, making data transfers and backups incredibly fast. Whether you are moving large files, editing directly from the drive, or just need a reliable storage solution, the Beetle X31 delivers. Utility: we give utility 4.5 stars. The SK hynix Beetle X31 is versatile and supports multiple devices, from PCs to game consoles. Its plug-and-play functionality makes it easy to use right out of the box. However, it is worth noting that it does not come with its own software for managing backups or encryption, which could be a consideration for more security-conscious users. Value: we rate the value 4.5 stars. Priced competitively within its category, the SK hynix Beetle X31 offers excellent value for its performance and build quality. It's an affordable yet high-performing option for anyone looking to upgrade their storage without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching this video. What would you use this portable SSD for? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification to stay up to date on our latest videos and upcoming giveaways. Don't forget to let us know what you would like us to review in the future. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.